Managing dozens of machines alone means juggling updates, version checks, and daily routines, all without dropping the ball. In this activity, we'll build your personal routine system using tasks, playlists, quick connect, and batch edit to help you save time and move with purpose. Let's start by tracking your maintenance work using the tasks feature. You can attach tasks directly to entries or manage everything from a central task panel. If you're using task per entry, right-click on a key entry, for example, Windows Server 01, select Add, then Task. Fill in the following task information. You can give it a name, a priority, a due date, a clear description, you can set a status, and even put a comment to your task. When you're ready, click OK to add the task. You now have a specific task tied to this system. Perfect for daily maintenance. Now, if you want to use the central task panel, go in the ribbon, then go in the View section, then Panels, then under Panels, click Tasks. Here, you can see all your tasks across the vault. Create new tasks, update statuses, or edit and delete existing ones as needed. The task panel is your command center, a great way to stay on top of everything without switching tools. Next, let's create a playlist to streamline your day. We'll build two, one for daily checks and another one for mass updates. For the morning checks playlist, go to the Edit tab in the ribbon. Click the playlist dropdown and choose Playlist Management. Then click New. Now in the General tab, name it Morning Checks and give it a brief description like Daily Startup Systems. Go in the Connections tab, add your domain control, patch server, AV console, and help desk PC. Now select the Order button and use the arrow to set the opening priority and order. When you're ready, go ahead and click Save or Add. Now your critical systems launch together, helping you get into flow faster every morning. Now for the Windows Update playlist, in the Playlist Management again, click New. Let's name it Windows Update Batch. Give it a brief description again like Open all Windows RDP session for updates. And under Connections, go and add all RDP entries. When your playlist is completed, go ahead and click Add. Want to take it further? If you're comfortable with scripting, you can run Windows updates automatically using PowerShell. Create a new PowerShell script entry in your vault named Windows Updates. This script already exists in the vault, so we'll just show how to launch it. Ensure the PS Windows Update module is installed on each target machine. Then right-click an RDP entry, then select Macro Script Tools, then click on the Windows Update script. This lets you trigger updates directly on selected entries. No remote session required. A massive time saver for large environments. After your updates, whether manual or automated, you'll want to keep your records accurate. So let's update the version tags. For example, you've upgraded all your machines from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Use Quick Search and search for the tag Windows 10. Select all results, right-click then Edit, then Batch Edit, then Edit Entries General Settings. In the description section, override the tags. Remove Windows 10 tag and add the Windows 11 tag. Then click on OK. Just like that, your vault stays current, no tedious manual edits required. Sometimes, you just need quick access to a system that isn't saved in your vault. That's where the Quick Connect helps. In the Quick Connect bar, above the ribbon, type the host name or IP address, select the session type, RDP, SSH, or the protocol you need. Keep in mind that the Quick Connect toolbar handles the host and session type. Credentials are managed at the session level. When you're ready, go ahead and click Connect. You're in. No setup, no delay. Perfect for one-off checks or temporary client work. Need to save that session for later? It's easy to convert it into a permanent entry. Right-click the session, then Convert to Entry. Assign it a name, then click Add. Quick Connect gives you speed. Saving gives you consistency. With tasks to organize your workload, playlists for daily flow and mass updates, PowerShell for automation, Quick Connect for ad hoc jobs, and batches it to maintain clean records, you're not just managing systems, you're running them with efficiency. Build your own system today and watch your day get smoother.